Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Cutie Pie Kathakali. I am Kathakali and today in this video I am going to teach you guys how to solve a Pyraminx. So Pyraminx is a puzzle like Rubik's Cube, but it is called a Pyraminx because it is in the shape of a pyramid. So Pyraminx is a really easy puzzle and it does not have those many steps like a Rubik's Cube, or you can also call it 3x3x3. But you need to learn the basic algorithm or it will be really complicated for you to learn. But before learning how to solve a Pyraminx, we need to know which piece is called what. So the pieces with three colors 1, 2, 3 are called the tips. Each face has 1, 2 and 3 tips. The ones with one color, which are these ones 1, 2 and 3, are called the centerpieces. Each face has 3 centerpieces. And the last one, the ones with 2 colors on each side, are called the edges. Each face has 3 edges. So now you just have to scramble your Pyraminx, and I am going to show you guys how to solve this. So first you need to choose any color. So as I can see blue, then I am going to choose blue. So first you need to take all the blue tips together. 1, 2 and 3. Now all the blue centers. One is here, so just like this. And another one is here in the same process. Now you need to see that the other centers are solved or not. So this one is not solved, just one move, and there you go, all the side centers are solved. Now we are going to again focus on our blue side. Now as we can see that 2 blue edges are missing, so we need to put them in places. So I can see that one of them are here, which is blue and yellow. So we need to put that here. So it is really simple, but see this one properly because it will come in every case. Means anyways you solve it, it will always come. So like this, then like this, then like this. There you go, done. So now already the blue and yellow pieces in its place. Now we just need to put the blue and red piece. So the same process, done. And now this blue and green one. Now as you guys can see, this blue face is solved. Now we are going to move on to the next one, which is going to be for my green. So this is not really a rare case, but it can happen. So in this case what will happen, the pieces will be flipped, but don't try to reassemble the pieces. It's very simple algorithm, you guys can just memorize it in a second. So now this face is solved. But while doing this, your blue face can get unsolved, means can get scrambled again. But that is not really the problem. You guys can just scramble it and just solve it again. So same process. Just keep on repeating this for all of the sides. Now this case can also happen. The last case which I showed you was actually the third case. Now this one is the second case. So in this one what will happen, all the pieces will be 2 or 3 moves far. So for that one another algorithm is there. As we need this one here, so it's again really simple. like this. And now we just need this red and green piece here. So and as you guys can see, this thing is already solved. So solving a Pyraminx is really easy and fun to solve. And let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more puzzle solving or if you want to learn more trick and tips to solve this Pyraminx. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then smash down the like button and I will see you on my upcoming video. Until then, goodbye. Love you all.